If you are 40 and haven't started investing yet, this video is specifically for you. Not a gentle reassurance, actual numbers. What you can build, in what time frame, starting with what you have right now. The first thing to understand is what 40 actually means in terms of time. You have 25 years until 65. 25 years of compounding is not a consolation prize. The math on 25 years at 7% annual return is not modest. Let's run it. Starting at zero, investing $500 per month for 25 years at 7% annual return, approximately $400,000 at retirement. Starting at zero, investing $800 per month for 25 years, approximately $640,000. Starting at zero, investing $1,200 per month for 25 years, approximately $960,000. These are not small numbers. And most people who earn a reasonable income at 40 can invest $500 to $1,200 per month if their debt situation is under control. Now here's where the math gets real for most 40-year-olds. You probably don't have zero saved. Most people in their 40s have something: a 401k from a previous job they forgot to roll over, a savings account with some money in it, maybe an IRA they opened and never contributed to consistently. Even $30,000 or $40,000 already invested changes the projection significantly. Starting at $40,000 already invested, adding $800 per month for 25 years at 7%, approximately $1.05 million. This is the part of the math that surprises people at 40. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from wherever you are. And wherever you are is probably farther along than you think. The 3 decisions to make at 40. Decision 1. Where does the money go? If your employer offers a 401k with any match, start there. A 50% match on the first 6% of your salary is a 50% guaranteed return on that money. You don't get that anywhere else. Contribute at least enough to capture the full match. After the employer match, a Roth IRA if you qualify based on income. In 2026, the income limit for Roth IRA contributions is $161,000 for single filers and $240,000 for married filing jointly. At 40, a Roth IRA is especially valuable. You have 25 years of tax-free compounding ahead of you, and every dollar of growth comes out at 65, completely tax-free. Annual 401k contribution limit, $23,500. IRA limit, $7,000. If you're behind, the IRS allows catch-up contributions starting at age 50, an extra $7,500 in the 401k, and an extra $1,000 in the IRA. Decision 2. What to invest in. At 40 with 25 years ahead, you can still hold a significant equity allocation. Many advisors recommend roughly 80 to 90% stocks and 10 to 20% bonds at 40, shifting more to bonds as you approach 60. Inside those accounts, keep it simple: a total US market index fund, a small international index fund, and a bond index fund. VTSAX, VIXUS, and BND if you're at Vanguard. The equivalent at Fidelity or Schwab is equally fine. Pick the same low-cost index funds across both accounts if you have them. Decision 3. Where is the money coming from? This is the question that most 40-year-olds actually get stuck on. Not which fund, not which account. But how do you find $800 or $1,000 per month to invest when you have a mortgage, kids, student loans, and a car payment? The honest answer: it requires a trade. You are trading something you currently spend money on for future financial security. That trade is real and it is not easy. But identifying the $800 is a budgeting problem, not a math problem. The average 40-year-old household in the US spends $380 per month on dining out and takeout, $180 per month on subscription services, $210 per month on clothing, $150 per month on miscellaneous impulse purchases. Total $920 per month, not suggesting you eliminate all of it, but reducing dining out by half, cutting unused subscriptions, and being intentional about clothing gets you $500 to $600 per month without dramatically reducing quality of life. The feeling of being behind. Almost every 40-year-old who hasn't started investing feels behind. That feeling is partly accurate. There is a difference between starting at 25 and starting at 40, and pretending otherwise doesn't help. But the feeling usually overstates the gap. The reason is that most 40-year-olds compare themselves to an idealized version of a 40-year-old who started at 22 and contributed maximally every year. That person is rare. Most people who retire comfortably didn't do it perfectly. They did it consistently. The 40-year-old who starts now and invests consistently for 25 years is far better off than the 45-year-old who waits for a better time, and far better off than the 40-year-old who invests inconsistently for 25 years. Starting now isn't catching up. It's starting. And that's what matters. What to do this week. 3 actions, not a multi-month plan. 3 things to do this week. 1. Log into your HR portal and confirm whether your employer offers a 401k match, and if so, what the match rate is. If you're not capturing the full match, increase your contribution to the match threshold this week. 2. Open a Roth IRA if you don't have one. Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab all allow you to open one in about 20 minutes online. You don't need to contribute today, just open the account so the option exists. 3. Run your own version of the numbers. Take what you already have saved, add what you can realistically contribute per month, and run it through a compound interest calculator at 7% for 25 years. See the number. The number is motivating in a way that abstract advice is not. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of exactly how to roll over an old 401k into a current IRA without triggering a tax penalty, a mistake that costs people thousands, that process is the next video on this channel. Subscribe and it will be waiting. And if you want to know what a realistic month-by-month investment plan looks like for someone starting at 40 with $20,000 already saved, that specific breakdown is linked here.